Wee! Kia ora te whānau. Are you ready to dance and sing and play your hearts out? Me too. I can hear the trumpets, and that means it's toy time. Hoake tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Oh! Kia ora te whānau, ko Jojo aho, and this is my best friend, Maya.
Tēnā koutou katoa.
Thanks, Jojo. We're doing an obstacle course, staying connected the whole time.
Huh?
Oh, that's my phone. Oh, no.
Don't let go, Jojo.
I'll never let go. Kia ora. Oh, kia ora, Ricky. Oh, no worries. Thanks for letting us know. That was Ricky. He has one last delivery to make, so he's running a little bit late.
Kate te pai.
All right, let's keep going. Oh, yes.
Wow.
You've got this, Maya.
Tricky.
We did it!
Delivery! Here you go.
Thank you. It's a postcard from Aroha.
Oh, I love postcards. What a great way for her to stay in contact while she's on holiday.
There are so many ways to stay connected with the people you love, like sending postcards or calling each other on the phone.
Playing games or singing together. When I think of Aroha, I think of that waiata she loves. You know the one? Kina kina. Oh, kina kina. Peke peke. Ika ika. Tuna tuna. Oh, it's like she's right here with us at the Toy Time Whare.
I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my mama, she gives the best hugs. I love my papa, he also gives the best hugs. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even aunties too. Even Nana too. Even cousins too. And baby sisters too.
Could you hold this for me, please, Maya?
The letters have dots and dashes next to them. What is it?
It's Morse code.
Morse code.
Nope. No. Oh, hey! I've been looking for this. Nope. Oh, no. Aha! An 8. I knew these were in here. Come on, let's go send messages in the garden. Oh, and bring the Morse code.
Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Maya. How can I help?
what's Morse code?
Morse code is a way to send long-distance messages without talking. Some people use sounds like this. And some people use signals like a torchlight. The dot is a short flash. The dash is a long flash that lasts 3 seconds.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Thanks, Mōhio. Jojo, wait for me.
Okay, I'll send you a message and you have to decode it. Okay, this is fun. Ready? Ready. Okay. Oh, 4 dots. Let me think. H. Okay, ready. Next. 2 dots. Let me think. I. Okay, ready. Next. That's it. That's it. Oh. H. I. H. I. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Your turn. Okay. Let me see. Dot, 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 dot. H. Dot, dot. I. H. I. Hi. Oh, this is fun. Your turn again, Jojo. Okay. Oh dear, this could be a long night. Could you start again, please, Jojo? Slower this time. 2, 3. Oh.
Kia ora e te whānau. This is Joey.
Kia ora.
Joey and I are writing a postcard for Aroha to stay connected while she's away.
Done.
Oh, great. Now what?
Now we send it.
Oh, okay. Haha, sent.
No, you need to put a stamp on it first.
Oh, of course. I forgot about the stamp. That's how the posties get paid for their job. We love posties. Whee! Oh, that's a cool stamp.
Done. Now we can send it.
Okay, cool. Here we go. Are you ready?
Stop.
What?
We need to put it in a post box.
Oh, of course. A post box. I knew that. To the post box.
Kia ora! Here's one of my favourite songs with actions. So see if you can do the actions with me.
Kina, kina, wheke, wheke, ika, ika, tuna, tuna, pipi, pipi, paua, paua, kai moana e. Kina, kina, wheke, wheke, ika, ika, tuna, tuna, pipi, pipi, paua, paua, kai moana e.
Okay, let's do it again, but a little bit faster.
Kina, kina, wheke, wheke, ika, ika, tuna, tuna, pipi, pipi, paua, paua, kai moana e. Kina, kina, wheke, wheke, ika, ika, tuna, tuna, pipi, pipi, paua, paua, kai moana e.
Okay, even faster now. Ready?
Kina, kina, wheke, wheke, ika, ika, tuna, tuna, pipi, pipi, paua, paua, kai moana e. Kina, kina, wheke, wheke, ika, ika, tuna, tuna, pipi, pipi, paua, paua, kai moana e.
Whew, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty hungry.
Tamariki Ma, what do you think of my potai? Pretty, eh? It was my nanny's hat. I'm going to take some flowers to the urupa for my nanny today. It's her birthday and I love her heaps. We'll sit and I'll have a kōrero and sing a waiata or two and think about all the cool memories. Nanny and I loved making each other laugh. I remember this one time she laughed so hard at my joke that her false teeth fell out. I love my nanny. Visiting her at the urupa is a great way to stay connected with her. Da, 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 da. Oh, right. All done. Ka kite anō.
Hi, Oma. Are you feeling better? Have you got your voice back yet? Oh, it's very strange not being able to just talk to you. Oh, you want to tell me something? But how? I heart, cuddles, love. Me, Wolfie. Oh, I love Wolfie. I love Wolfie. I get it, Oma. I love Wolfie. Oh, you said it without even talking. I love Oma.
It's Takaro time! And today we're playing Pictionary. The aim of the game is to guess what I'm drawing before the time runs out. And I'm not allowed to say a word. Got it?
Got it.
Woo! Awesome. Hey, Mōhio, could you give us a timer, please?
Of course, Buzz. Toru, rua, tahi, simata.
Oh, te marama me te rā, the moon and the sun.
A pizza!
Weights, like at the gym.
I know! It's a bike!
Ah, yes, Ricky! You got it, and just in time. It's a pahikara, a bike.
I love this game.
Kei a koe te wā, Ricky. Your turn.
Oh. Thank you. I'll wipe this off. Here we go. Okay. Oh, ready, Mōhio?
Toru, rua, tahi, simata.
A dragon! Oh, sorry, I got a bit excited.
I was going to draw a dragon, Maya. How did you know that?
I must have read your mind. My turn.
We're going to ride our ponies today. This is my horse, Ladybug. My horse is called Cricket. My horse is called Kaiser. He loves being scratched. Before we ride, we have to groom our horses. We have to clean their hooves. We need a saddle blanket and a saddle. I'm putting the saddle pad on, and then I'm putting the my saddle on so it don't hurt the horse's back. We also need a bridle. The bridle helps you control the pony. The bit is hard to get in his mouth, but the bridle is easier. The saddle's on and we're ready to go.
One go. Between the stirrups.
Ready. Ladybug likes to trot and eat. I love Ladybug. I'm going to try and canter. Cantering means go faster than a trot, but lower than a gallop. We love our horses, and I'm sure they love us too. They're all having a snack. My little brother had a go on my horse. Let's go. Bye.
Oh, kia ora, my cussies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm doing one of my most favouriteest things, checking the mail. Hoake tātou. I think I found it. Look at this! It's for me! I wonder who it's from. Come on, cussies! I can't wait to open this. I've got a letter. Take your shoes off, Buzz. All right. Hey, cussies, let's open up our letter. Cool. Who's this from? Oh, look, it's a photo of all of my friends. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's from Tama. Kia ora, Buzz. How are you? I'm good. I've been having an awesome time fishing with my uncle. I caught a fish as big as Wolfie. As big as Wolfie? That's huge! I miss you heaps and I can't wait to see you soon. There's heaps of room on the boat, so hurry up. Your best friend, Tama. I miss Tama. That's so amazing that he sent me a letter. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's send Tama a letter and tell him what we've been up to. Let's go, cussies! All right, my cussies. I'm gonna write Tama a letter on the back of one of my pictures from when I went to Egypt. Let's do it! Okay, so, how can I start my letter? I know. Kia ora, Tama. I am doing amazing. I have been fishing with my dad. We caught a fish as well, but it wasn't as big as Wolfie. Here is a picture from when I went to Egypt. The pyramids were ginormous. Oh, it made me feel so good getting a letter from Tama. It's really important to stay connected to your friends, my cussies, and writing a letter is the perfect way to do it. I can't wait to see you soon and go fishing. Love, your best friend, Buzz. Perfect! I think Tama's really gonna like my letter. Okay, now all we have to do is seal it up and post it. Oh, can't forget to write the address. Perfect. And a stamp. Amazing! We're all ready to send our letter to Tama. Let's go, my cussies! Ka kite anō e te whānau.
Hermit crabs and snails like a different kind of home. One that they can carry so that they are free to roam. Birds, they make their houses way up high amongst the trees. And where we get our honey from is home for all the bees. There are different kinds of houses, not a single one's the same. Your home might have a backyard or might have a park nearby. Your home might have a staircase or maybe neighbors up the drive. You might live in a houseboat or an igloo made of ice. I'd love to see your house one day. I think that would be nice. There are different kinds of houses, not a single one's the same. You might live in an apartment or a farm beside a lake. You might have your own bedroom or share your room with 2 or 3. They say home is where the heart is, and this is home for me. They say home is where the heart is, and this is home for me.
Kia ora and welcome to the Toy Time News Report. In breaking news, scientists have discovered that humans aren't the only species who can sing. It turns out that humpback whales like to waiata too. That's right, e hoa, the ocean's got talent. Humpback whales sing to communicate with other whales and to find food. Let's have another listen. It sounds like they're having a whale of a time, don't you think? Thanks for tuning in. Stay cool till after school. Hei kona.
I used to be so little like a seed, but now I'm blooming like a flower in the spring. Every passing season will bring something new, and I have family and friends to help me through. I'm growing up fast, yeah, I'm getting strong. With every passing season, I transform. With all these little changes I've undergone, I'll be a proper growing up before too long. I'm getting older every single day, more unique in my own special kind of way. Even more adventures to be had, it's true, and I have family and friends to help me through. I'm growing up fast, yeah, I'm getting strong. With every passing season, I transform. With all these little changes I've undergone, I'll be a proper growing up before too long. Sometimes growing up can be so very hard, but when the times are tough, don't forget that you are loved. I'm growing up fast, yeah, I'm getting strong. With every passing season, I transform. With all these little changes I've undergone, I'll be a proper growing up before too long.
Echo,
Echo, echo,
echo,
echo,
echo,
echo,
echo.
echo. You win.
Your turn now, Buzz.
Okay.
Echo.
Today we're doing garden to table and my job is cooking today. Today we're making kale chips, muesli bars and cauliflower fried vegetables. We're also making a Feijo and orange juice. We have to cut up the vegetable and we're really careful with the knives. We were grating up some pumpkin. You have to be careful with your fingers. And then we all put the vegetables in a frying pan with a little bit of oil. It's cooking! And we stir the vegetables all around. Looking good! I think they're ready now.
We're cutting up Feijoas and we're putting them in the bowl and we're going to blend them and make Feijoa juice. The kale is from our school garden. We all have to help to wash our own dishes. And finally, we get to taste the food. We all sit down together to eat. We always do a karakia before we eat.
I love it. I like the juice.
We all really like the kale chips. They're super crunchy.
It's the best.
Hello, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about making dumplings. In their cosy home in Wellington, sisters Jean and Joy were folding dumplings with Mum and Grandma Pawpaw. Pawpaw had made the fillings from chopped pork, prawns and vegetables, mixed all together with delicious flavours. Mum had made a dough with flour and water, rolling it out into thin circles called wrappers. Jean and Joy each put a spoonful of filling into a wrapper. Jean folded her wrapper around the filling, sticking out her tongue in concentration as she folded little pleats. But try as she might, the filling keeps spilling out of the wrapper. Joy folded her dumpling like a blanket, lining up the corners and folding it in half and half again. She scrunched and mashed the wrappers together, but it got stickier and stickier. "How do you do it so well?" exclaimed Jean, looking at Pawpaw's row of neatly folded dumplings. "Can you show us, Mum?" said Joy, watching Mum's quick fingers fold one after the other. Pawpaw laughed and took Jean's dumplings. "The secret is just to use the right amount of filling," she said, helping Jean to try again. "It takes a little bit of practice to get the folds just right," said Mum, slowing down to show them. The girls had a lot of fun that afternoon, practicing how to fold dumplings in different shapes and designs. And when Mum cooked all the dumplings for lunch, they tasted extra delicious because of all the hard work and love that went into making dumplings. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha. No hora, ka kite